Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. And for today's topic, ang ating pag-uusapan ay mga pangkaraniwang tools na ginagamit freelancer or virtual assistant. Kung bago ka pa lang bilang isang freelancer, ang video na ito ay para sa iyo. Kung interesado ka sa mga topic na ganito, please consider subscribing, i-like mo na rin at i-share mo na rin. At gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat ng bumili ng SEO training course. Nasa description section below po ang link.
Ang SEO Training Philippines ay nag-aalok ng isang komprehensibong SEO training course para sa mga Filipino freelancers. So yung kanilang basic course ay mayroon 26 modules and 5 lessons. Yung kanilang mga advanced ay mayroon 48 modules with 7 lessons. So, ano pa ba yung mga advantages o yung mga perks ng SEO training course ng SEO Training Philippines? You will have lifetime access to all video tutorials, access to exclusive Facebook group or community, downloadable SEO templates, worksheets and SOPs, certificate of completion, and 30-minute one-on-one consultation. You will also have 1-year access to premium WordPress theme, which is worth $59, and students-only games and giveaways.
Okay, so magbibigay ako ng 10 sample as per these categories. We have communication, video conferencing, time tracking, project management, password management, file sharing, process documentation, tools for social media management, and scheduling, virtual assistant program. So, bawat isa dyan, magbibigay ako ng samples na free. So, these are free tools na kailangan mo ng medyo tingnan o aralin kung magsisimula ka na sa iyong freelancing work. For communication, although maraming available tulad ng Skype at WhatsApp para sa communication mo with your team, ang may re-recommend ako na free ay ang Slack. Okay, ito na siguro yung the best when it comes to communication para sa with your team, para sa company ninyo. So, this is just like straightforward lang. Mag-create lang kayo ng account and then create ka ng new workspace and invite yung mga team members mo for that particular workspace and you are ready to go. Pwede mo nang gamitin yan. The best ng Slack. For example, ang Skype. Ang Skype ay nagde-delete ng mga information for a particular time period. For example, for 6 months na mga previous communication nyo, maaaring i-delete na yan ni Skype. Same thing with WhatsApp. Pero si Slack ay hindi. So, napakagandang gamitin ng Slack para sa team communication nyo. For video conferencing or meetings, for team meetings, ang re-recommend ko naman ay 3. You can do Zoom, Skype, or TeamViewer. The only problem with Skype ay mas maganda siya on one-on-one meeting. More than 2 person na yung included sa team meeting nyo. Medyo difficult na ang Skype. So, ang recommendation ko is to create Zoom account and then do your meetings using Zoom. So, this is pretty straightforward din. Magsa-sign up ka. It is similar to other software or tools na ginagamit. You will need to create an account with them, activate it, verify it, and then pwede mo nang gamitin yan. Always sign up for free account. For time tracking tools, I will recommend Clockify and Toggl. So, I am using this. Ano ba sa mga magtatanong kung ano ba yung mga time tracking tools, ito yung ginagamit ng freelancer. Parang orasan or para ma-monitor niya kung ilang minutes or hours ang ginawa niya for that particular task. So, time tracking software or tool na ginagamit ng mga virtual assistant wherein i-attach mo kasama ng yung invoice kung ilang oras o ilang minutes mo natapos ang isang task. For scheduling and calendar, I would recommend Google Calendar, number 1, dahil ito ay libre at straightforward lang gamitin. All you have to do is create a Gmail account at nasa function na yan or nasa products na yan ng Google. Pwede mo nang ilagay yung schedule dyan or you can invite someone para sa isang team meeting or event na pwede mong gawin. And another one is Calendly.
Although meron siya mga paid or premium accounts, you can always sign up for the free or the basic account. So, ito naman, pwede kang mag-create ng link wherein people or you can invite people sa isang particular na schedule para sa isang meeting or one-on-one meeting with them. So, pretty straightforward din ito. All you have to do, just like any other tools or software or app, all you have to do is create an account with them, verify it, and then you are ready to go. Pwede mo nang gamitin yan. For project management, we have Asana and we have Trello. So, both ay merong free account. I-check nyo lamang yung mga restrictions and limitations ng mga free account. Pero kung meron lang kayong small team, ay pwede na ang mga free accounts ng Trello at ng Asana. So, lahat ng information for your team's work ay nandito pwede nyo i-include sa Asana app na ito. So, ma-review nyo yung mga tasks nyo via list, layout, board layout, timeline layout, calendar layout. Makikita nyo yung progress ninyo. Magandang-maganda ang Asana para sa project management ninyo. Same thing with Trello. Ang Trello ay may free account din. So, ganito yung layout ng Trello. You can create cards or boards para siyang isang malaking whiteboard wherein you have a place for to-do lists, yung mga ginagawa at yung mga done na task na meron ang team ninyo. So, ganito ang layout ng Trello. Just to give you an idea. Same thing, meron siyang free account, but check the limitations and the restrictions that meron yung Trello account. Straightforward ang paggawa ng account with Asana and Trello. Just create an account with them, verify it, and you can start working or you can start using Trello and Asana. For password management, I will recommend LastPass and Dashlane. Dashlane is actually a Chrome extension, so you will grab the app or the extension via the Chrome Web Store. So, this is easier to use dahil extension lang siya. But I do recommend LastPass dahil for personal reason at personal experience with LastPass, secured ang password nyo. Meron din siyang free account. My intention is to provide you tools na free na pwede mo magamit. Of course, Dashlane is also free. Okay. As per the review of the Dashlane, meron siyang at least 3.5 o 3.4 na review rating. LastPass is very good when it comes to security. Meron din siyang free account. Okay, at meron din siyang 30-day trial para sa premium account naman. For document management, I am recommending Google Drive. So, i-research lang yan sa search engine, Google Drive, at bibigyan na kayo niya ng mga option. Actually, ang Google Drive ay isang Gmail. So, all you have to do is create a Gmail account at magkakaroon ka na ng access sa Google Drive. At kasama sa Google Drive ay ang mga products na katulad ng Google Docs, wherein document din to, na you can do document sharing din, at mga Google Sheets, Google Slides, Calendar, at yan ay pwede rin sa document sharing at storage, cloud storage ng inyong mga files. So this is for free. You can create a free account. All you have to do is create a Gmail account, at inside that Gmail account ay kasama na yung mga products na yan. So we have Calendar, we have Drive, we have Docs, we have Sheets, Slides, etc. For process documentation, I would recommend Screenomatic. So lahat ng documentation nyo para sa protocol nyo inside your company, I would suggest na gawin nyo ito via video. So lahat ng trainings, protocol ay gawin yung video, and then you will store that sa isang Google spreadsheet
So these are for free. You can create an account with Screencast-O-Matic na libre. You can sign up for free. At lahat ng this is screen recording. So you can capture, create, and share your recording sa team members nyo, and then create that recording at ilagay nyo sa inyong Google spreadsheet. So this is what I have. This is my personal placeholder para sa mga video tutorial ko for my work. So kung halimbawa, you are handling different clients, ilagay nyo lang sa tab sa baba yung inyong clients, and then do the recordings and do the documentation for the training and the protocol and the documentation for your work protocol inside the spreadsheet. So lalagay nyo lang dito yung explanation kung para saan yung tutorial na yon, and then the links in here. Remember that using screencast para sa video tutorials ng protocol or training, this will create a link, and then that link will serve as your access to that video recording. So lalagay nyo lang, explain nyo lang yung kung para saan yung recording na yon, at ilagay nyo na yung link dyan. So very simple, pero magkakaroon na kayo ng process documentation para sa inyong work. But if you have another option na mas maganda, straightforward din. Kasi for me, this is pretty straightforward. Simple lang yung documentation ng process ng company ninyo. Just create the recording of it, and then put the URL inside the spreadsheet and explain nyo lang kung para saan yung recording na yan, and that's it. If you have other option, please let me know. Siguro ilagay nyo na lang sa comment section ng video na ito. For social media management, again, this is advisable only for small business owners. So you can create an account with buffer.com. You can this is a publishing tool. You can also, it gives also analytics wherein you can study marketing strategies for it. So you can create an account for free. And another social management tool that I will recommend is the Hootsuite, wherein you can create a free account. So i-search nyo lang yan sa internet, sa Google, and you will find that that Hootsuite is a good option. So yung free account ito is for only one user, and you can only integrate 2 social accounts and 5 scheduled messages. So this is for free. This is a scheduling automation for your social media. Okay. So this social media tool can be very helpful bilang isang freelancer. Last but not the least is Google Assistant. So itong Google Assistant na ito ay hands-free. You can tell it to do things for you. You can get answers via Google Assistant. You can manage tasks and to-dos using Google Assistant. Good luck and thank you for watching. Kung bago ka pa lang bilang isang video, oh no! At gusto ko